This flashlight should be a 395 nanometer one, but I'm not convinced. Oops, let me zoom back in a bit. This is some manganese glass, this is some uranium glass. Under 395 nanometer, the uranium glass fluoresces, but the manganese glass barely reacts. Under 365, the manganese glass lights up, as does the uranium glass. Now, I bought this specifically for uranium glass hunting. It does light up the uranium glass, but it lights up to a lesser degree than the bona fide 365, the manganese glass. Now here I have a pair of safety glasses that should be rated up to 380 nanometers UVA, and does a good job at blocking the 365. It does let the 395 straight through. Back to our mystery Alonefire. No reaction on the manganese glass this time, and the uranium glass does fluoresce a bit, but it's way more muted. I honestly don't know.